Okay, well, I just fucking ended a video. I hit pause instead of stop, and then closed it out. I've got to do it. I've done this shit 3 times already now. I'm just gonna speed run it. Okay, first, this is the back. The line is the back. Now, let's see how the little little guy looks with the hat. Yes, this is my smile. Not the best, not the worst. Ooh, he's smart. But yeah. No, little messy monkey. Yeah, got a hat. This is the front. I swear to God, if I see another video with this facing the front, I'm murdering somebody. For legal reasons, that is a joke.
Got the 4 cupcake.
Oh. There we go. He's got the cupcake. I've seen so many videos saying it's a cake. Cakes are full size, motherfucker. Like, this is a cupcake. It has a wrapper. Actually, I get it. It's the design, but yeah, I get it. Okay, to fix this from just being boom up there, put it like this. Exactly like this, just to fix it, okay? Wait, see? This goes under this. I'll even give you a goddamn tutorial if you are that stupid. Just middle finger, there, plop. Done. By the way, if you cannot tell, this is the front. The design. My mother thought it was this, because this looks like it drapes down over the head. No. I have the cosmetic in-game, and it's not like that, Mom. But I get it. She's trying to be helpful, and I appreciate that. But yeah, back design, which I forgot to do in the previous videos. Gorilla tag. Another Axiom X makeshift. Another Axiom. A big ass monkey with a cake. GT4. Sparkles.
Everywhere sparkles.
But I'm putting the cosmetics back in here so I do not lose them. You saw that. Don't even lie. It was cool. I think. I hope. I don't really fucking know. But this little guy, I'm just gonna be abusing. No, I'm kidding. But you might get some extra content if I actually do recording properly. But for the card, for the Mr. Card, I got Monkey. I was hoping for the signed moderator stick, but it's fine. I got what I got, and that is worth probably a lot. Put the holographic sticker on here instead of my printed out YouTube name, because yeah. Ow. Well, yeah, here's some bonus content. By the way, don't worry, I will give him a nice pack after all this, because I can guarantee he is going to hurt after all this. Are you gonna hurt? Hey, monkey, are you gonna hurt? He's shaking his head yes. And I dearly apologize for this, okay? Wipe off all that little dark gray spots. Actually, it might look better with dark gray. Let me know. Does it look better? Does it look the same? Or does this look better? Or the same? Because with my eyes, this looks a lot better and clean. But yeah.
Bonus content.
Set this on the ground. I remember seeing like a makeshift monkey video where a motherfucker drop kicked him. Just landed. I am not surprised. But like, okay. See, mister, I am so sorry. But it's what the viewers want, okay? I know you hurt. I'm sorry. You want me to stop? Well, he wants to stop, so... No, I'm kidding. But I'm going to enjoy just like tossing him up and down, up and down.
Meow, monkey.
But a monkey. You want to do the outro since you're such a good companion? Like, come on, monkey, say bye.